I'm Rebecca of Pocketful of Poseys. Today's video is all about handmade holiday gifts. Since I've been spending a lot of time unable to sew anything big or cut out anything big with my back issues, I decided that maybe it would be nice this year to hand make some holiday gifts for my friends and family. So that's what I did, and I can't wait to share all of the things that I made with you. So without further ado, let's get into it. Here we go. This project is a great example of the algorithm made me do it. I had been seeing an advertisement on Facebook for these embroidered wool bookmarks, and I thought I could totally make that. I cut out a 4x4 template and got started. I knew I needed to keep the embroidery on one half of the front piece since it will be cut diagonally to attach to the back. I drew my design on with a FriXion pen and got to work. I definitely used the first one as a mock-up of sorts. I did a whipped back stitch to outline the letter, satin stitches for the smaller leaves. For the larger leaves, I outlined them with a stem stitch, and I used French knots for flower buds. Attaching the front to the back is done with a blanket stitch. It took me a little while to get the hang of it, but I got there in the end. The bookmark just slides on the corner of the page. I made a few more since they are so cute and pretty quick and easy to make. I love that they can be personalized for whoever will be receiving them. For my next gifts, I bought a felt ornament template of a Scandinavian Dala horse and bird. My grandfather immigrated from Sweden, and we have continued many Swedish Christmas traditions. I will link the Etsy shop in the description below. This project could also be done by kids, perhaps using glue instead of sewing. I cut out my Dala horse with some wool felt in dark red. The brighter red felt was a little too stiff. All of the pieces were cut out, and here's how they go together. Somewhere between cutting out and sewing, my Dala horse disappeared. So I had to cut it out in the stiff red felt after all. I sewed both the Dala horse and bird in bed. They're filled with polyfill, and I think they are really cute. My next handmade holiday gifts were embroidered necklaces. I purchased the kits. They came as a set of 4. I'll link them in the description below. I really enjoyed these kits. It was nice to have everything ready to go when I was ready to start. I followed the instructions provided, and they were fun and quick little makes. After finishing the embroidery, the fabric is gathered around the oval insert. Don't forget to trim the fabric. The only thing not provided in the kit was glue. I used super glue. I made a couple of these and I think they are really pretty. I enjoyed all of these little projects so much. It's nice to have something to gift that you made with your own hands. Do you have favorite handmade gifts? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you spending your time with me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and if you'd like to be notified whenever I upload, you can hit that little bell icon. If you'd like to support the channel further, I have a Ko-fi account, and that is linked down below. Again, thank you so much, and I will see you on our next sewing adventure. Bye!